In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of any PDF using your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my web browser and I'm going to be going to i2pdf.com. And now once I'm in this page, I'm going to click on the menu icon, top right hand corner, and then click onto tools. And then from here, find where it says color PDF. So keep scrolling down, there it is there. So I'm going to click on color PDF. And then so convert the colors of PDF text and images into tones of a color. So what you need to do is choose your file that you'd like to change the color of the PDF. So I'm going to click on choose file. And now I'm going to choose media picker here. And now I'm going to use this PDF here. It's a menu. So as you can see, it's uploading. All right, once this has uploaded, you can choose the content color here. So at the moment, it's set at blue. So if I scroll down, the menu is all in blue. But if I want to change it to say red, scroll down, you can see it's changed to red. And the background color, it's currently at white, but we can change this to this color if we want, or this color. Yeah, so you can have a play around the different colors. And once you've done that, all right, once that is all done, go ahead and click on color the PDF, which is a blue button bottom left hand. And now this is going to color that PDF with the colors you have chosen. So give that a few moments to do its thing. And then the document is ready. So now you can go ahead and download that colored PDF document.